the U.S., Democrats have claimed an upset win in Kentucky. Democratic Attorney General Andy Beshear is claiming a narrow victory despite an election eve rally in which Donald Trump urged voters to re-elect incumbent Republican Governor Matt Bevin. Mr. Bevin hasn't conceded defeat yet.
I haven't had an opportunity yet to speak to Governor Bevin, but my expectation is that he will honor the election that was held tonight, that he will help us make this transition.
We want the process to be...
Kentucky has no mandatory law to recount votes, even with a margin as slim as 0.4%. Today's elections in 4 states are seen as a test of enthusiasm for Mr. Trump ahead of the 2020 presidential election. So should Mr. Bevin's loss be certified, it would be a shock defeat for a conservative in a southern state that Mr. Trump won by 30 percentage points in 2016.